welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and today we're going to try to do a summer look with some Tarte products that I got. They're basically summery products. There's the Tarte Guard Tinted Moisturizer SPF 20. This is in medium and it's way too dark for me. So I am gonna have to lighten that up some. I have like a bronzy blush that it's like a summer kit, or it was at the time I bought it. Some summery lip colors. I think I'm gonna use my Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust palette. And I'm gonna use the Rainforest the Sea concealer because I'm pretty sure it's broke and not gonna last very long at this point. One of the first things I have is this mattifying primer mist from Wet n Wild. Oh no, it's a setting spray. Okay, so I am gonna set with, I guess, Scandinavia. I am gonna add some of my MAC Studio Sculpt to this and try to lighten this up a bit. Not to mention that looks a little yellow for me. Now I do just put on tinted moisturizers with my fingers. I do not bother with a sponge or a brush unless it looks weird, because these are supposed to basically just be second skin. And I know I added a little bit of MAC to it, but really it shouldn't have added like that much coverage. Okay, it does look like I'm gonna need to go in with my sponge and sort of even it out a little bit. It didn't appear to be nice and smooth and into my skin like I wanted it. If you have medium skin, this medium Tarte Guard is not gonna work for you. I have light skin, and when I just did it by itself, unless this darkens up or something magically. I mean, it is a little bit dark on me because it is a tinted moisturizer. It's nothing crazy. Well, that settles down. I'm gonna do my brows. I'm just gonna use my e.l.f. brow pencil. This moisturizer stuff does appear to be oxidizing on me a little bit, so I'm going to go down my neck with it so I don't look funny. Now I already did prime my eyes. Let's create a fun summer look out of this. I'm just gonna use Glossomer all over my lid. Why is it one brow always looks like it's like at an angle and the other one round? Oh my god, my brows drive me nuts. And I like try to make them not do that. Then I'm just gonna take Frolic, which is this brownie color, and deepen up my crease. And I'm going to use Wonder in the outer corner. And now, because this is kind of a summery look, I'm going to take Twinkle, Magic, which are these two kind of bronzy shades, and just put them all over my lid. And then I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and sort of blend all this together. Not super precise today. Remember, this is supposed to be like a fun beach vibe look. My hair is driving me nuts today. I tried doing this thing where you put the braids on the side, pull it back, and put your hair over the top of it. My hair does not like the style. Dude. So, okay, I lied. That Tarte Medium Moisturizer, Tinted Moisturizer, is very medium, and it oxidizes like a son of a bitch. So, if you put it on, and it's like, wow, that's way too light, wait a couple minutes, because it's not going to be. I'm like several shades darker than I should be. Okay, I am going to conceal. I'm just gonna grab that deep brownie shade and bring that around the corner. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of more Frolic over there too. On my brow bone, I'm gonna take a little bit of the highlight as well as on my inner corner. And then I'm just gonna use some of that pink on my lower lid. So now I have this really pretty blush that is very bronzy looking. For me, I could probably get away with using this as a bronzer. I haven't used it yet. This is called Insightful. And in the summer, I like to bring these, like, instead of down just along my cheekbone, I like to kind of bring them across my nose, especially in shades like this that are sort of tan looking. Just a really nice look. And then I bring it up along the sides. So I'm just gonna take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this one is in light. Oh, this thing's weird, it's a big sponge. Oh, there's a mirror in there. I don't like that. So I'm just gonna use like a wedgie shaped sponge that I have. And And I'm just sort of bronzing and warming up my face a little bit to give, I'm gonna be super brown looking today, to give that like sun-kissed look. And now I'm gonna take the highlight out of here and highlight with it because it is a gorgeous highlight. And then lastly, we're gonna pick one of these lip paints that they had with this set. And I think I'm gonna go with this like pinkier one. I have no idea what shade this is. So this is definitely not a matte lipstick. It's some sort of gloss. And I'm just gonna take some of these Pacifica Rainbow Drops, Rainbow Crystals, and Strobe. I wish I knew what color this one was because I want to order another thing of these, but I don't know which one I have. I thought that this was like the name on the thing was, you know, whatever color they are, but it's not. So now I'm gonna use, yeah, I'm just gonna go with mascara, no eyeliner or anything today. Okay, so that's pretty much gonna be it. Like I said, in the summer I try to wear less makeup, although I probably wear more makeup than a lot of people do because our nearest beach is at a lake that is fed by a glacier. It's super cold, even in the middle of summer. My favorite thing out of this whole kit is this blush. I think this blush is beautiful and insightful. The tinted moisturizer, I do not really care for. Love the fact that this is SPF 20, but I don't like the way that it's on my skin for a tinted moisturizer. I'm used to being able to sort of just put them on, rub them in, and be done. And this is taking a whole lot more work than that, and I don't think it had anything to do with me adding a little bit of MAC to it to lighten it up just a little bit. As a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna have to set it. I don't know about you, but I don't normally set my BB creams. I mean, I'll set my under eye, of course, but the rest of it, like, I don't normally set that, and I definitely feel like I have to. It is not, I don't know, it's not doing what it's supposed to. And as a matter of fact, it actually needs to be blended in my skin more. I've had that MAC foundation for a while now. I know how it works on my skin. This is definitely the moisturizer. It's definitely leaving me moist, but it shouldn't leave me feeling just sticky all over. I don't like this, and I would never buy it in a full size. There are tons of brands that I prefer so much more. While this is a cute color and very beachy, I'm not gonna like it either because when I go to the beach, I don't want to be reapplying, and that I'm gonna have to reapply. Plus, all the places I go to the beach or places where there's sand, it's super windy, so it sticks to this kind of thing, and that's icky. I want things in the summer that, you know, stay on, I have to reapply, that I can just put on and go and be out there and look fabulous all day long. And I'm gonna give this Wet n Wild mattifying setting spray a shot. I've used it before, it's really nice. Out of this whole thing, not surprisingly I guess, Tarte blush wins the day. It's a beautiful color that comes in that kit and it's really nice. Now this also came with a mask, and the mask is great. I like it a lot. It's a peel off mask, and I don't ever do those masks on video because I don't remember to. I don't know, let me know what you thought and what do you wear to the beach, because like I said, I know that this is probably pretty extra for like if you're just going to a beach and actually gonna swim. I would never wear this. Like I said, when I go to the beach, I'm not swimming. I'm hanging out on my boat, or I'm hanging out on the beach, like on the beach with maybe my feet in the water. That's it. 50-degree water is really cold. I do like a good waterproof foundation or mascara for that, and I didn't put that on today, but I'm not actually going to. I'm in Montana, and it's thundering and lightning outside in the middle of the day right now. That's what it does here this time of year. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!